Hello, and welcome to my presentation. My name is Omar Al-Gamli, and today I'll talk about the double suction pump by Al-Jazari from a mechanical engineering point of view. Here's the outline of the presentation. First, we'll go through the historical background of the mechanism. After that, I'll show you the Al-Jazari design of the mechanism. Then I'll talk about the mechanism and the functionality of the product. After that, we will relate everything to the modern day of our life. At the end of the 12th century, Al-Jazari was actually a Muslim scientist who converted all of his ideas and design and combined them all into one book. That book name was Kitab al-Jami' fil Ilmi wal Amal, as we say it in Arabic. In English, we could say as the complete book of knowledge and work. This book has been translated, manuscripted, and transferred to Istanbul during the Ottoman Empire. The empire actually implemented the double suction pump to ease the water supply to citizens, so they wouldn't actually have to go and bring water to their house without actually traveling a distance. As you can see here, this picture here was taken from Al-Jazari book, and this is actually a simulation of the mechanism which was actually implemented first in Istanbul. This component here, they call it as the water wheel. And here, as you can see, there are two columns, and we will show you a bit detail of the mechanism in a video right now. As you can see, this is the water wheel, and it is actually connected to a river or a lake. That actually the river or the lake will actually push the water wheel to have a rotatory movement. Then rotatory movement with the other mechanism will actually translate into a linear motions side by side. As you can see here, there are two pistons, one on the right and one on the left. These pistons will actually suck the water up from the river As you can see, there is a valve here, is being opened and is being sucked up by the piston, and then it will be pushed up by the other valve. It will be pushed up by the other valve while the first valve will be closed to ensure that the water is being sucked up to a level of 11 meters. Now, how does this relate to our modern day life? After the age of the golden age of Islam, Renaissance engineers inherited the mechanism into Europe, and it's been implemented to different locations and cities to ease the life for everyone. Also, in our new 20th century and 21st century, this mechanism has been used in car engines and crank slider mechanism as well. So we can see it in everywhere these days. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will go through details in the final product. Thank you.